Hi guys, Ken Stone, Ken's IT. Another review video of the 3D printer. Um, it's two videos out so far. So I just wanted to review where we're at in this process and where we're going to be heading. Um, so as a review, change screens here. So with this remote holder that I designed, I've been having trouble with the remote staying in it, and um, the problem is this front two edges here are wide open, so there's no real way of holding in the remote. So I'll show you in a second. I added a wing here and a wing here to the remote I've already printed, and it works perfect. So with this model, I'm going to add those wings, and I have three more remotes that I had to print for. So I believe there's three, yeah, like three more remotes, and then there's two of these holders that I printed. I'm going to add those wings to. Um, I purchased a plastic welder kit, which I can show you in a little bit. I'll get that up and show you. Um, yeah, I'll get that up and then show you. And but with that plastic welder kit, I took some the base of the prints that we do right now, um, which are these little bases here. So I took these and cut slices out of them, and I added it to the remote holder. So I'll show you that here in a second. In a second. Yeah. So these here, I took it and cut a slice off. So I'll show you the remote. We're gonna do the one next to it. So these two little wings I added. Not the prettiest, but every time I look at it, I can say, yeah, I learned that. I put wings on it. So this one here, I'm gonna fire up the welder and we'll add two wings here. I'll show you that process. All right. So I'm gonna take that down. Oops, here. Okay. So let me set up for that. So this is the kit I received. I'll show you here. This is the kit. So it comes with pieces of plastic, different colors. This is a rod I used for that project. It has razor blade, a whole bunch of other accessories. It has some special metal tips, so you can you have a mesh that you can heat up and like put two pieces of plastic together and use these tips to heat it together. So it's basically a soldering iron um, that you use to do that with. So and you can change these tips. I don't need to change the tips on this project. This one works good because I'm gonna get into a narrow area. I'm gonna use this tip here. So let me heat this thing up. I'm gonna open the door because it does get the plastic will melt and smell a little bit. So let me get this plugged in. Get the camera positioned so you can see. Just turn this iron. You want to make sure you set it on something metal because it's really unwieldy and you could burn something so very easily. You might get a metal holder for it when I'm using it from now on, but I can't 3D print that, but I can buy a metal holder. So I gotta do that. Actually, I got one right here for my other device. So we'll use this metal holder here to hold it. This metal holder here, down there. So I'll use that. Nice. I can make sure there's nothing solid plastic around it. I don't want to leave it there long because Looks like it's close to that plastic. We'll leave it there for now. All right, so let me get in position here. See if I can figure this out. You're gonna get a top view of it. I don't really like that top view. See if we get a different view. Side maybe. Okay. Yeah, the best you're gonna get it right there. Okay. All right, so the iron's heating up. The fan's on. I'm gonna cut some plastic. Get it ready. So this one is a little shorter, so I don't really need that longer piece. So I have this piece here. So I'm gonna actually cut this in half and use this. So we're gonna do that. Scissors. I'm really not gonna add more plastic from the rod. I could, but if I take my time and I should be able to use just the plastic itself and um, adhere to it, make it adhere to itself. So get my tweezers ready because I'm not gonna touch it 'cause it's hot. So, yeah. So if I get in the way, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna put it on the front face of it and hit up the sides first. See if I get them joined together. Stop moving. You feel the plastic a little bit heating up there. So okay, it feels like it's starting to gel. I don't push too much because then it deforms the piece. Okay, so that piece is on, and I'm gonna try to reach in here behind the monitor, get the base. Trying to like pull down from that flat piece down to the other piece. Nice. Yep. Just let that cool. So that one come out pretty nice. The other one got really messed up because I left it there in the one spot too long, and it feels like a started burning the plastic, which we don't want to do. You just want to heat it up. I'm gonna get this other one set. Of course, I'm left-handed, right-handed, whatever. I'm gonna be able to position this. These pieces are not even, but that really doesn't matter. Yeah, feels like it's going pretty good. Okay, so that front tip is on there. Let's get this side view again. I'm putting the iron on there and pulling down on the plastic to join it. That's it. Front tip. Nice. Okay, we'll just let that cool down. I turn the iron off. And the smell in here is, I can smell the plastic. I don't know. It is what it is. I'm going to crack the door. It is a little strong. Okay, that's good. That's nice. This bottom is still a little off, so I'm going to do a little bit more on that bottom. Not that it's going to put a lot of weight on there or anything. Maybe I'll use a little more plastic. I'm just pulling off the stick. A little bit of plastic. Okay. Trying to make it level as possible. There you go. Discoloration a little bit, but what are you going to do? It's modifications. Yeah, both sides are nice now. Cool. Okay. And then put the remote in. It's not going to flop out now. this one really didn't flop out too bad, but it was mainly this one. This one definitely fits a lot better. But yeah, that won't go anywhere now. Cool. So like I said, we're gonna add those wings. Let me see if I can bring up. I'm gonna bring up the that 3D, um, the plastic welder thing I got on Amazon. It's not a paid advertisement at all, but I can show you what it was. That way, if you order one, you can order one. So this is the kit that I got. It's a 130 watt plastic welding kit. It's on Amazon. Um, yeah, it works good. And this this mesh right here. That you can patch plastic and do whatever. But looks like there is a stand. It's one piece stand right here. That's what that metal piece is. So I'm gonna get that stand out next time and use that. I didn't see that stand. Cool. All right, so there's that, and then we'll switch back. So and we'll switch back to the 3D print this time. So are we there? Oops. Yes, we are. Okay. So we're gonna add those wings here to this kit, and then we'll talk about the pencil holder thing that I created. It's supposed to be a pencil or pen holder, and that was a fail. Not really a fail, but learning experience. So we'll adjust that one next, and then I want to print that one. I got to print one more holder first, and then we'll print the pen one because I'm almost out of white plastic, and then we have other rolls, so we'll use the other rolls for the pen one. So, so with this one, let's add some wings, so we can do that. So it's gonna be like a square shape, so I'm gonna bring a square down, okay, and then I want to get it thin, so bring it down thin. It's probably too thick right there, but we'll bring it over and make it exact. Bring it down, okay. Join these two front. I selected both of them, and then align. We'll do edge. No, undo. Align. Hmm. Trying to align it to it. I'm gonna have to squeeze it in myself, I guess. Nope. Okay, so I brought the front in. Is that lined up with the front? The hair out. I think that's good. So let's bring this back. Bring this back this way. Okay. I'm gonna make it taller. There you go. Not that tall, but okay. The other one I brought all the way to the top, so I really don't need it all the way to the top. Just as long as it has the wings. I'll bring it here, and I'm gonna copy it, paste, and move it over. Is that lined up? Yeah. So it's a hair off his first thickness and a hair out. So I'm gonna bring this up. Oops, not that up. Trying to make the height shorter. Okay, so I brought the height shorter and then I'll raise it up here. I'm gonna delete that one, copy this one. No, it's good right there. That's basically what we need. So I'm gonna join these together. Come on, join those. I don't like how it's sticking out, so I have to work on aligning things because it looks like it's off a little bit. Just trying to do everything on the keyboard, see if I can get it to move. Um, all right, well, I think that's good enough anyways. So I'm gonna join this together and we'll save it. Actually, I'm gonna pull it back a little bit. I don't like it really sticking out there. Sorry, indecisive here. Trying to get pushed back. Doesn't like it. See if I can push it back and scoot it, make it more narrow. Okay, so that's more narrow. Undo, undo. Oops, there it is. Okay, so it's within there. It's not sticking out anymore. Nice. And I'm gonna bring it back this way. There it is. Okay, nice. That's what I want right there. I'm gonna delete this one. Copy this one. Zoom in. Okay, so there's nothing out here. It's joined there. There's nothing out there, and it's joined. And they're both on the back line, which is fine. Okay, so there you go. That's how we're going to adjust it. So let's join those together. Nice. Then we're going to say export it, CL file, at the remote holder. Okay, now it's completed. So it's remote holder 2. Sorry for zooming in on you. Remote holder 2. Okay. So we're over here. Copy. Put in the drive. We do. There you go. Paste item. I'm going to remove these two. You don't need them. And we're not working right. Alright. The pen holder one and the G code. I'm going to remove those. Actually, I'm just going to rename these to small pen holder. And we'll change it to small pen. We're going to change this to small pen holder. Not really pen holder, but it's okay. That way, we still have it because it does work for small item holder. How's that? It's not really pen, but we'll change it to small item holder. Okay, so we're good here. So we'll eject that. While we're printing this other one, we're gonna take the time and reimagine the pen holder. We're gonna recreate it. We have to because it's just not working. So let me get set up here. Get the camera ready for um, recording the print. Actually, how am I going to do this? I'm going to record two different ones. Yeah, we'll record. I'll have the recording up in the corner there. So let's change this back here. Self view. Oh, you couldn't even see that. The self view was already active. Okay. So you didn't see me saving the file or anything, but that's fine. You already know how to do that. So let's get this started. The print. So we turned it on. Put the memory stick in there. Memory card. And we're looking for small. No, we're looking for the new one. Actually, I gotta do the slices first. Hang on. Gotta do the slice first. Then, because we need G code. So let's do the slice. Do. HDMI. See my device. There you go. Okay, so let's do the slice in here. Sorry, got ahead of ourselves. Remember each of these steps. So we do and then we put moderate remote holder here. Okay. Okay. Check this up. We're going to open remote holder 2, open. I don't know if I selected the right one. Hang on. Nope. Is it dot underscore? There we go. This one. There we go. And we move it to the center here. So now we have the fins on there. That should work good. I know the remote fits into it perfect. So let's slice it. Slice and dice. Okay. And save. Save. Okay, it's already saved. So exit that. Pull the drive out. I want to eject these drives before you pull them out. Put the memory card in. Focus. Main menu. Go back into it. Remote holder 2. Print. So if I run out of, this is how much plastic I have left. Not really worried about doing the whole thing as long as it gets up to those leans. So I think we're good. So let's get this set so it's in position. Okay. Focus. Okay. Okay. So right now it's heating up. So that's just going to run. We'll fast forward it once we're done editing our pen holder. So we're going to switch over and start editing pen holder here. Okay. Oh, that's printing. So let me see. Desktop, transition. Let's see if we can get the, we don't want that one. Let's add a, so let me go back to the other one first. Desktop stuff. Okay. Okay, so that's heating up. It's going to get started. So I'll let you watch that. I'm going to set up the desktop so we can watch that in the corner. So let me edit that screen, computer screen. So let's add another. Okay, almost there. Okay, so now we have the screen going. All right, that's right? Yeah. So let's go back and we'll edit the pen holder. We're going to actually duplicate this first. Duplicate. Okay. So this is a copy of the pen holder. Supposed to rename the other one to small items holder. Okay. So we'll save this one. So if we need it, we can print it. And then we have copy the pen holder here. So let's go into here, change this to the pen holder. Okay, let's ungroup this stuff. Ungroup, ungroup. Okay, so I'm going to delete these holes. Okay, so we're good there. So now we need a circle. The pen size, the largest pen we have. Let me see if I can get the right size here. Okay, ruler, tape measure. All right, so ruler, tape measure. Our largest size, 5/8. Okay. 5/8 of an inch is the largest pen we have. All the rest will work, so 5/8. Sorry for the noise. Actually, I don't think I showed you um, how the other one came out. So let's do that. So this is the last one. It came out, I printed one row. It did come out, so it came out pretty good. But I stopped at one row because um, I didn't want to waste the plastic. But so this is a screwdriver. It fits right in the hole perfectly. So yeah. So I'll just use it for small tools like that. But that's how this last one came out. As you can see, the pens that I have, this big pen, there's no way it's gonna fit all. So, okay. So you've seen the case we learned on. So let's fix it now. So, okay. So it's almost 3 inches. Okay. All right. Well, that's the model we're going to print. It looks like it's going to work. The holes are larger than these pillars, and that's what we needed. Um, I made the height, the overall width of this thing from the wall um, less because we don't need three rolls. We use two. If I need to print two of these, set them next to each other, it'll work. So we will just go back to the other print and with the Art of Magic. Right now we're at 57 minutes, but with the Art of Magic, we'll fast forward everything. I may have to cut this into two videos, so we'll see. All right, so here we go. Hang on. So I'm sitting there printing this thing, and it should be the new one with the wings. This one does not have the wings. So for some reason, it did not get transferred correctly. I don't know. So we're gonna try it again. Yeah, we'll keep going with this, but I'll fast forward and all that stuff that I need to do. But I just saved. Oops, I just saved it to the downloads folder again. That's crazy. That's where I had it right. That's right. Copy, copy, redo, paste, remote holder. I'm gonna delete these two number twos. With the trash. Okay, so it's done. All right, so eject. We'll be up printing up here in a second. Sorry. Should have noticed it when I loaded this part over here when I sliced it. Okay, wings are on this one. Slicing it. And for some reason, when I slice it, the wings go away. What is up with that? So I was right. There's a glitch. There's a glitch. Um, Close, reopen. So I had it right. Open, remote one, and the wings are on this one. Maybe it's just too thin. Well, that doesn't make sense because it's in here. Huh, maybe it's just too thin. Something's up. Huh, well, so I'm gonna go in and edit that file and then load it back up to where we are now. And then we'll continue on. Save. Okay. Okay. So oh, now let's get this into the machine. Print this thing. Get it finally printed right. Come on. 2 hours and 14 minutes. Figure this thing out. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. I'm gonna use this one for something. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for because it's a small one, but I have to use the other one. I'm sure it'll still work though. I just have to add the wings to the front. So I'll use this one in my office. I just add a couple wings to the front. Should work. And then to this, yeah, just add wings to the front. That'll work. There's one print done. I don't know. Wait till he's going. It's gonna take a while to get that pen one done. I'll get it done today, but I won't post the video today. But we'll get her. All right. So the magic of editing, we will fast forward this. All right. So with the editing all done, we're at the end. We take it off. See how we did. switch cameras here. This small edge on this front edge is like peeling off. Wait 1 second here. Yeah, peeling it off. And so I don't think it was. I didn't make it part of the corner. It's like separate, but it's still on there. So I'd use my plastic welder and just weld that real quick. But it's pretty good. Other than that, let's try the remote. I'm gonna cut the hairs off too. But let's see. See about the remote. Oh, yeah, it's perfect. It's got a like spot weld that side right there. Perfect. All right, so I got like 2 more of these to go. Well, 1 more actually. So I needed 3. So I actually had more. I had more plastic than I thought as far as being able to print. I still have white left. What if I just do another one of these and save the color for the other one? Yeah, I think I'll do another one. I'm not gonna record this next one, but yeah, that's it. I mean, let's see. Summary of this. Summary is we figured out the wings on the side of this. So that's the um, the pen holder is going to be next. Um, I still have white left, so I'm going to use the white up and then start with the other colors. So I'm gonna do 1 more of these today, and then if I can, I'll start the other one tonight. If not, I'll start it tomorrow after I get done with my jobs that I have listed. We're almost there. Try out that new one. Maybe I'll print it tonight overnight. I'll let it print um, later on tonight. Yeah, I should get to it. It's only 5 now, so almost 5. So lesson learned. Um, yeah, when you're adding in your 3D model into this other software, into um, let me adjust this here. When you're adding in this 3D model into the WeBuilder 2 software, that those front 2 sections disappear. So if you make it too thin, it's going to take them right out. So that's I stopped this one. Oops, I stopped this one like halfway through the print, a little over halfway through the print because I didn't see those wings. So and I thought I messed up, but I didn't. It was that software. So it's just something to watch out for that software. When you slice it up, just make sure the part that you want there is there. If not, you'll have to make it thicker. Um, so we learned something new today on software. Um, Hope you liked it. If you liked it, then like, share, and come back for the next one. All right. Bye.